Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore a fascinating and much discussed concept that's been making waves across the internet. The idea that you can earn money simply by watching YouTube videos has captivated many people, sparking curiosity and skepticism alike. With some sources claiming that it's possible to make as much as $60 in just 10 minutes, this proposition sounds like an effortless dream come true. But is there any truth to these claims? Or is this just another cleverly crafted internet myth designed to attract attention and generate clicks? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the details of this method to find out. Together, we'll uncover whether this approach has any genuine potential as a way to earn extra cash, or if it's simply another overhyped trend with more fluff than substance. We'll analyze each step, assess its feasibility, and weigh the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started and break this down step by step to see if it's worth your time and effort. The process begins on YouTube, which serves as the starting point for this strategy. Here, you'll need to search for trending videos, those that are currently gaining widespread attention. These videos play a crucial role in the method's success because their popularity and high engagement rates are the driving forces behind the strategy. The goal is to identify videos that are not only trending but also capable of maintaining ongoing interest from viewers. To make this task more manageable, we'll use a powerful tool called vidIQ. vidIQ is a specialized software designed to help content creators and marketers optimize their YouTube efforts. It offers a variety of features even in its free version, making it an accessible and valuable resource. Among its tools, vidIQ includes an AI-powered coach and a detailed keyword analysis feature that provides insights into trending topics and high-performing content. These features are particularly useful in identifying which videos are resonating with audiences and generating substantial engagement. Once you download and install vidIQ, you'll notice an icon at the top of your screen, giving you access to a suite of analytical tools that are both comprehensive and user-friendly. One standout feature of vidIQ is its Most Viewed section. This allows you to filter video results based on their viewership trends, such as the number of views a video receives per hour over the past 48 hours or week. By examining this data, you can pinpoint videos with millions of views and review detailed statistics that reveal their hourly performance. Armed with this information, you can confidently select videos that are not only currently popular, but also likely to attract ongoing attention in the near future. Once you've chosen a video, the next step involves downloading its thumbnail. Thumbnails are a vital aspect of this strategy because they act as the first impression for viewers. A well-designed thumbnail can make all the difference in capturing interest and driving clicks. To extract a thumbnail from your selected video, use a free online tool called YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. The process is simple. Copy the URL of the video, paste it into the tool, and download the thumbnail image. With the thumbnail in hand, it's time to get creative. Open Canva, an intuitive graphic design platform that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Create a new project using custom dimensions of 1080 by 1920 pixels. Upload the thumbnail to your workspace, then enhance its appeal by adding text, shapes, and other design elements. The goal is to make the thumbnail as eye-catching and professional as possible, ensuring it stands out among competing visuals. Once you're happy with the result, download the final design as a high-quality PNG file. The next step takes you to Pinterest, a platform renowned for its ability to drive significant web traffic. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, set up a new board with an engaging name like Viral Videos or Trending Content. Create a new pin, upload your customized thumbnail, and write a catchy title paired with a compelling description. These elements are key to capturing attention and encouraging clicks on your content. Now comes the monetization phase. This involves using a URL shortening service like shrinkme.io which allows you to earn money based on the number of clicks your shortened links receive. Begin by registering for a free account and setting up your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or Payoneer. Take the URL of the trending video you selected earlier, shorten it using ShrinkMe, and copy the shortened link. Then paste this link into the Pinterest pin you created. Here's how the monetization works. ShrinkMe pays users based on the number of clicks their links generate. The payment rates vary by region, with some areas offering as much as $22 for every 1,000 clicks. By leveraging popular, trending videos, you increase the chances of attracting clicks, which can translate into earnings over time. While this method may seem promising at first glance, it is crucial to approach it with realistic expectations and a clear understanding of its limitations. Although it provides an opportunity to earn some money, the income generated is generally modest. At best, it might cover small, discretionary expenses or provide a bit of extra spending cash. However, it is unlikely to replace a full-time job or serve as a reliable source for covering significant financial obligations. Moreover, it is essential to consider the potential drawbacks associated with this approach. One of the primary concerns is the user experience. Many people find the process of clicking on shortened links to be frustrating, as these links often lead to multiple redirects, pop-ups, and advertisements before arriving at the intended content. This not only creates a sense of inconvenience, but can also come across as spammy or untrustworthy. Such experiences can leave users feeling disappointed or even irritated, which may have broader implications for your reputation. If visitors associate your links with a poor browsing experience, it could harm your credibility or deter them from engaging with your content in the future. Therefore, while this method might offer a small financial benefit, it is important to weigh these gains against the potential risks to your relationship with your audience and the perception of your online presence. That brings us to the conclusion of today's video. I sincerely hope that this in-depth exploration has provided you with valuable insights and a clear understanding of the method we discussed. I aimed to help you evaluate its relevance and potential benefits, so you can decide if it's worth investing your time and effort. Now, if you're looking for a way to make real money instead of chasing small payouts through these methods, there's a much better side hustle that I've discovered. It allows you to earn a full-time income from anywhere in the world using just your phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your journey toward financial freedom.